Do not scroll. Watch this video and be blessed. The year 2024 is a year for new beginnings. In this month, let us come together in prayer, seeking renewal and restoration. As we embark on this new journey, let us open our hearts to the possibilities that lie ahead. Let us embrace the promise of a fresh start and the opportunity to rebuild what has been broken, lost, and ignored. And I pray for as many that are watching this video, as we are in the month of restoration, may your spirits be lifted and your faith renewed. May you find the strength to overcome challenges and the wisdom to make positive changes in your lives. Let us be grateful for the blessings that surrounds us and mindful of the opportunities to bring healing to those in need. May this year be a time of growth, joy, and peace for all. With hope in our hearts, we look forward to a new beginning that awaits us this year. Amen. Type amen in the comments, like and share. God bless you.